Alright, battle rifle. So here's a redesign I did, I think last week. So, and this is the breakdown of it. So before we do the breakdown, let's listen to the entire thing with video. So I'm gonna mute myself and play video. Actually, you gotta make sure that you are able to even hear it. Alright, here we go. Now I'm playing video. Sweet, so let's talk about this. The basis of this gun is using the Boom Library Assault Weapons pack. Let me close this. And this is used for the mech gunshot portion of it. So I'm going ahead and mute everything except for the mech. The mech sounds is just a dry fire I got from Soundly, and the attach mic from the M16, which is a burst. And then the attach mic, I use EQ to increase more of the highs. And this basically follows along the burst with the actual gunshot. So let's listen to that. Sweet, just simple mech, nothing too fancy. The reload is also not that difficult. I just wanted to get something in there for just to like fill out the rest of the gun. Just something solo, nothing too dramatic. Let me play that actually with the gun foley because that also glues the actual gun together. Here, let me pull the video up. Yeah, this animation here, it's kind of weird. Like I know what it's supposed to be, so I kind of just worked with it because it's not very obvious. I guess with like in today's games, it's very obvious of what they're trying to do, but this isn't really obvious in my opinion. It just look like he's just doing this, and that's it. Okay, so let's talk about the gunshot. The gunshot is separated into 4 categories. Those categories are transient, body, the thump, and the tail. So let's talk about the transient. The transient consists of some sounds from a crowdsource library and sounds from Boom's Enforcer plugin. So let's just listen to that. And also there's the another like close mic of the M16 from the Boom library. It has those high frequencies and mid to highs that I want, so the gun can like punch out a little bit more. For the body, I'm just using 2 of the actually 1 close mic, a different variation of close mic, and then 1 medium microphone. So let's listen to that. And obviously you can see they're kind of offset just a little bit. Then the thump. Again, this is from Enforcer. This one is a little bit more prominent in force than the one in the kick. Okay, here we go. Sweet. And then the tail. Yeah. So the tail and the body both have this effects chain of X for OTT and a saturation effect on it as well. Yeah. I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. I think it's a pretty good sounding gun. Let's see. Because if we take away the old me, probably wouldn't have had this layer in it, and it probably would sound much different. Yeah, it would have sounded like much different because the old me wouldn't have thought about not necessarily not adding mid to high frequencies, but I guess forgetting to do that. And so when I make my guns, they sound more beefy and doesn't have that presence also. So this weapon definitely does. So let me solo these real quick. Let's listen to it one more time. Sweet. That is the Halo 3. Oh my god, please stop. Okay. That is the Halo 3 battle rifle weapon sound redesign.